Hi gals, this is Steph with Stephssassyscrappers from Central Iowa, and I am jumping on today to talk to you about beginners. Are you a beginner? Have you never scrapbooked before? Would you like to? Where are all your pictures? Are they on your phone? That's not where you want them. You want them out where people can enjoy and see them, right? So I've got the deal for you. I'm going to show you today our Creative Memories Simple Page Kits. They came out with these a couple years ago, and we found that people, especially beginners, just love them, but other people do too. And I can show you some samples of them here in just a second. We have them individually, and they're $6 a piece, and you can get one each month. And if you want to be sure that you don't miss out on any and want them each month, just let me know, and I will put your name down, and you will get one each month. Or another way that you can buy them is at 3 months at a time. January, February, March, all came in one bundle. It was bundle number 1. And April, May, June came with bundle number 2. Now, the neat thing about that is when you start in January and grabbed the first bundle, you didn't only get January, you got February and March, which nobody else could get until the beginning of each one of those months. Another neat thing is you get some separate little embellishment packs that go with each of the pages. Also included are 3 of our pocket folders. Nice, sturdy, that you can put your pictures in, you can put your layouts in after you get them done, you can put cardstock in, you can put paper in, whatever you want to store in these, you can. And there'll be one for every month that you buy if you buy the bundles. So the bundles are just a little bit more, and with the tariffs, who knows exactly what they'll be each day, but they are just a little bit more. They kind of gear the months to like Mother's Day and Father's Day and that kind of thing, but they don't have to be. There's a lot of other things that they put in with the package too. So if you're not celebrating Mother's Day, you can still do something else beautiful with those pages. And here are some of the pages. I'm going to flip back to the beginning. And this is just a beginner's layout that we have with a noteworthy collection that will be here all year. Isn't that pretty? And I actually made that with a beginner, and she loved it. Here's another one. This is January. And again, it was kind of geared towards New Year's, but I made it a birthday page. Look at that little hat on him. Okay. Here's February. Again, they kind of make it. They've got some hearts up here. They're really fun, kind of geared towards Valentine's, but obviously you can make it with a lot of other things. And then March. It was geared towards St. Patty's Day, but I made it completely different out of a camping trip I took in Arkansas. And you've got the others as well. Let's see, here we go. This one was Easter, and I did have Easter here, so I actually used it for Easter. And here's the number 5. Okay? So, lots of fun things that you can make. Now let me show you what's in each one of these kits. If you buy just the individual kit, you will get 1 month's worth. And you can get it at the beginning of that month. Sometimes they come out a little bit early, a week early or so, and get them the previous month. But here's our Simple Page Kit number 2. This is the one with the hearts, like I told you. Each one comes with a set of instructions. It shows you exactly how you can lay it all out. It shows you after you cut, this is the cutting guide, and then it shows you where to lay each one of those pieces of paper that you've cut out. It also shows you what coordinating cardstock Creative Memories has, if you want to add a little something here or there on your own, and also the photo sizes that it needs. So, in each kit, it will come with 2 papers that are considered your base papers. Those are the ones that you're going to put all the rest of the items on top of. And they are pre-designed. They're right printed on the paper, so it makes it really, really easy to do. On the back side is another design that is usually more tonal or muted. You can also use that if you don't like the other side. but then you're gonna probably need to add a little bit more embellishing of your own. Okay, so here's the page, the base pages. Then you're gonna get a page that kind of looks a little strange sometimes. This one isn't quite as bad as some of them. But what it is this is your cutting paper. And you're going to cut on each one of these lines, just as it shows you. They are all numbered, and then you will pull your instructions back out, and you'll see that number 7 goes here, 8 here, 2 here, 4, 3. It shows you exactly where to put them all. And you will come out with a really cool looking page. Very easy, very quick, wonderful way to get started scrapbooking. Not only do you get those papers and the cutting guide, also in every kit comes a sticker sheet. So you can use the sticker sheet. It shows you how to use them if you want to use it that way, or if you want to do your own thing, that's fine too. And like I said, if you do buy the bundles, then you do automatically get some other little sticker things, embellishments free. There's one for May, and I think this was April, and there's probably one underneath here. Yep, there's June's. June was kind of a fishing theme, kind of for Dad's Day. So there's those, or that you can get them singly. Now, if you would get each one of the page kits available in a year, you're going to have 12 to 14 of them. And you will have enough that you will put in an album, and you will have a whole year's album done at the end of the year. These kits maybe take half hour, 45 minutes to put together. Takes you more time to get your pictures around and ready and printed than it does to put the pages together. And they just look so cool. Looky there. You'd never know that that was a really quick, easy page to do. So, interested in scrapbooking now? I can get you a book done quick and easy in a year. Won't take long at all. And I would love to have you join our little group here. So let me know if you're interested, and we can get you set up. If you are a new scrapbooker and would like to start with the simple page kits, I have a bundle of an album and the top loading pages, which is what I use here, and I highly recommend the top loading pages. The pages just slide in, and you get that, and you get the album and the pages, and then I'll even throw in a free tape runner. All you would need other than that would be some type of a trimmer and your pictures, and you could have an album, quick and easy. So let me know if you're interested, or for you seasoned gals, we even have some ideas on how to dress them up a little bit more if you want, or just put them together like they are. I think they look great just as they are, quick and easy. And that's what it's all about, getting those pictures on pages to let others enjoy. The kids love them, I'll tell you, they do. They love coming and looking at their books. So if you want to do that and get those pictures off your phone, let me know, and I'd be happy to help, okay? So have a great day and stay sassy. Bye-bye.